I arrive at the airport. I take my suitcase and walk inside. When I enter the airport, I check the departure board to find my flight. A departure board is a big digital screen that shows real-time information about all departing flights. The terminal, check-in desk, gate number, and boarding time. If my bags are heavy, I can take a trolley to move them easily.
At the check-in desk.
I go to the check-in desk. I show my passport and my ticket. I check in my luggage. The check-in agent asks me to place my suitcase on the scale so they can weigh it. The staff weighs my suitcase. In most cases, if your luggage is over 20 kilograms, you have to pay for excess baggage. This means you have to pay extra money for your luggage. The staff gives me my boarding pass. A boarding pass is a paper or ticket you need to get on the plane. You can take one small bag on the plane. For example, hand luggage, a backpack, or a carry-on.
Going through security.
I go to the security check. I put my bag in the tray. I take out my laptop and liquids. I walk through the full-body scanner. I collect my things.
Waiting in the departure area.
I go to the departure area and look for my gate. I sit down and wait. Sometimes I buy coffee or a snack.
Boarding the plane.
I go to the gate when they call my flight. I show my boarding pass and passport. I walk through the jet bridge and enter the plane. I find my seat and put my bag in the overhead locker.
During the flight.
I fasten my seatbelt. I listen to the safety instructions. I relax, read, or watch a movie. Sometimes, I ask for water or a snack.
Arriving at the destination.
I get off the plane and head to passport control. I show my passport to the officer and then I go to baggage claim. I wait for my suitcase at the baggage carousel.
Thanks for watching Enjoyable English Lab. If you enjoyed this video, tell me in the comments what you want to see next. And of course, like, share and subscribe.